Hi guys, and welcome to Pen on Fire and Carvings. You asked me what am I doing today? Well, not really doing a whole lot today. I am getting myself back into carving. Good news, welcome back. So yeah, things are going good at therapy. Starting to get motion of the neck back. I can start to look down without any pain. So today's video is not about that, promise you. Today's video is about what we got in the mail. So I ordered this from Amazon. I've had one before. I actually got two more. They're outside, but I always mistakenly ordered the wrong size when I go to order these. So it's easy to do. So these are 2-inch hook and loop sanding pads that you put in your Dremel. So let me show you. So I got this about, I think it was 14 bucks. I'll try to leave a link in the videos, the link below, guys. So they come with these little things you add on them, and then you just screw that on there. Sometimes these come on loose and you gotta tighten it back up, but it ain't a big deal. They got little Velcro right here, and you get your sanding paper that you want. These comes with all different kinds of sanding papers. Let me show you. There's a 80 grit, 150, 40 grit. This is the one I like to use. 100 grit, another one I like to use. 60 grit, I'll use that one every now and then. 120 grit, 400 grit, 180, 240, and all the way up to 320. So, like I said, I got this off of Amazon. If you guys want to look it up, it's called 1-inch hook and loop pad is what I put in the search bar. And I think I paid 14 bucks for all this. So, yeah. So, I don't know what that would be in Canada or anywhere else. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing, guys. I have been working on a project slowly that I've been working on. It's not done yet. I don't want to show it yet because I'm in the middle of midst of working on the fine details of it and stuff. So, but I am going to do another one of the same thing in the near future for another local coffee shop around here around town that I want to make a sign for them and have their company name, and then they can hang it wherever they want in the store. So, that being said, have a good weekend, guys. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to say hello to our few shout-outs. Hello, Amy Jo. And hello, Just Carve Rob. Hey, Just Carve Rob, I hope you don't stop doing YouTube videos there, buddy. I do enjoy watching your videos. I learn a lot from your videos. So keep on doing the good fight, my brother. And say hello to our Larry Dibbs over there. And then say hello to Jordy Johnson over there at Carve Infusion. Hey, Jordy. And our other buddy, old buddy Tim, over there at Grumpy's workshop. He's Laid Back Carvings. Go check him out. He does like lathes and stuff. So, yep. So, hi Spike, and hi Evil Rick, and bye for now, and see you on the next one. All right. Bye-bye.